What is up, guys? Tisha Saf here. Welcome to Developers College. If you're visiting for the first time, I'm pretty sure you noticed this is our very first video, and yeah, I'm pretty hyped up about it. We are doing a Git tutorial series, and what we're going to be doing basically is doing a tutorial on Git version control system and a little bit of GitHub. Well, if you're already a developer and you've already began with coding and stuff, I'm pretty sure you've heard of Git along the way and GitHub. Well, in this tutorial, we are going to be talking about Git, how to use various Git commands, what they are for, and so on. This is an introduction video, so what we're going to be doing is very simple. We are going to be installing Git and setting it up for your computer. First of all, what exactly is Git? If you haven't heard of Git before, Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Well, ever wondered how a project on GitHub has so many collaborators and people that contribute, especially to open source code? I'm pretty sure you've heard of open source before along the line of your journey as a developer. Well, this is done with several version control systems, and Git is a very leading software in that field. Git basically allows you to control a project from a source in your own computer and do a lot of contributing. So this tutorial is going to be very fun to learn, and I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell for the next tutorial when it comes up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to visit git-scm.com. I'll link that in the description so you can visit it and get it. So I am using a Windows computer, so you're going to get this version, version 2.3 for your computer. Once your download is started, I have already installed Git, so you just go ahead and click the save file. Once that's downloaded, all you have to do is open the file and follow the on-screen instructions as to how you should install Git. So you're going to be greeted with this screen. All you have to do is follow the instructions, click on mark everything. You just gotta leave it as it is. So you're gonna use Visual Studio Code as your default editor. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. It's pretty much the only text editor that I like, and you can get the hang of it. It's not too complicated, even as a beginner. So I'll link that too. You get that downloaded. So you click next. You click this. You click next. You click this. You click next. You leave it as this. Everything, let it be the default settings. You click next. 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 So instead of doing that, click install. I have already installed it, so I will not be doing that. So you go ahead and do that and install it on your computer. I already have it here. It will install a bash, and this bash is what we're going to be using throughout the entire tutorial. So yeah guys, make sure you follow the instructions or you're gonna have this window open up. Don't worry, we're still going to do a lot of typing in this position, and yeah, this is where the whole magic's gonna happen. So yeah, that's it for the introduction video, and yeah, subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when the next video drops so you won't miss. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video.